Good morning. I am Sayyeda Fauzia. Today we are going to learn something. Yes. Take an activity and let us understand. This is an arrow which is drawn on the paper. This is a glass of water. Hold this arrow on the left in the left hand. Hold this glass and start moving the glass on the arrow from left to the right side, and you see the direction of the arrow which is in the opposite direction. Take the same glass of water and pencil, dip inside. You see bend in the nature of pencil. So what are these activity tells about? So today's topic is, I hope you have guessed something now, refraction of light. So in this topic today, we are going to cover refraction of light and laws of refraction. So children, as we know that light travels in a straight line, and that property is called as rectilinear propagation of light. Light travels in solids, liquids and gas, as these are three states of matter. How does it go? It goes and changes its speed. Therefore, the speed of light is different in different states. So, the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That comes to, after 3, 9 zeros meter in 1 second it travels. Likewise, speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Next, the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That means speed of light is maximum in gases, than liquid, than solid. So, what is then refraction then? When a ray of a light passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, its speed sometimes decreases or it sometimes increases, because it changes its speed when it is going from one media to another medium. Therefore, what exactly the refraction means? The change in the direction of light when it is going from one medium to another medium, that changes in the speed, changes the direction of the light, is called as refraction of light. Therefore, the exact definition, the change in the direction of path of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, is called as refraction. While passing the light from one medium to another medium, it sometimes slows down or it sometimes speeds up. Therefore, if the light is going from one medium to another medium, when it is bending towards the normal, then you call that is bending towards the normal due to speed is decreasing. On the other hand, when the light is going from one medium to another medium, it bends away from the center point, then due to the speed increases. Sometimes it passes undeviated. Therefore, for that we need to understand three different cases. Case number 1, here we have rarer and denser medium. What is rarer medium? When the speed of a light, when the light is going from one medium to another medium, its speed increases, such medium we called as a rarer medium. On the other hand, if the speed of a light is decreasing its speed when it is going from one medium to another medium, that medium we called as a denser medium. Therefore, case number 1, rarer medium to denser medium, say we are taking the air as a rarer medium and water as a denser medium. So, light is going from air to water. When it is going, this is a ray called as incident ray. When it incident on the separating media, undergo refraction, it shows bending, it bends towards the normal. Therefore, angle I, which is formed between normal and the incident ray, will be greater than angle formed between the refracted ray and the normal. Case number 2, when the incident ray is going in the opposite direction from denser to rarer, that means you can say glass to water. The speed of light increases. Therefore, it bends away from the normal. That means incident ray is coming and falling on the separating media S dash, shows bending nature, undergo refraction. After bending, the refracted ray bends away from the normal and makes an angle R. Therefore, when we measure angle between the normal and the incident ray, angle I will be lesser than angle R. Next, we'll move to third case. If the incident ray falls straight without any bend in nature, then it passes undeviated. Therefore, this is all the cases where we see the speed of light increases and decreases. Now we'll move to laws of refraction. As you can see, these two diagrams, incident ray, normal, refracted ray, point of incidence, all are lying on the same plane. That is the first law of refraction. That is the first law of refraction. It was first given by the scientist Snell. So, the first law of refraction tells about that, the incident ray, the refracted ray, normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. The second law states that as the sine of the angle of incidence, that means I, to the sine of the angle of refraction is equal to constant. This constant is called as mu, that is a Greek alphabet. This constant is called, and this law is called as Snell's law. Therefore, the second law states sine I by sine R is equal to constant. The angle of sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is constant, is called as refractive index. Then what is refractive index? Refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is defined as the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction to the second medium. So, does it has a unit? No, it doesn't has a unit because it is a pure ratio. I hope you understood the refraction of light and the laws of refraction. Thank you.